Is this a new makeup trend? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together a new lash primer by Essence. This is the Volume Booster Lash Primer. It gives super volume with super fruits and it contains acai oil and mango butter. It has a very nice mango scent. It's not very overwhelming. It is very mild. The price of it is €2.75 and we get 7 milliliters of product. I will also use on top of the lash primer the Super Care Volume Mascara by Essence. This gives an eye-opening effect and I have used this before and it gives a very nice defined look to my lashes. It doesn't make my lashes fuller and it doesn't give that volumizing effect that I like, but it is a very nice mascara for every day if you don't want to give volume to your lashes. So today I'm going to combine these two and we will see if the lash primer works. I will use it only on one eye, so we will see the difference between my eyes and if this lash primer is actually volume booster. Share this video with a friend that is looking for a new lash primer. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. I will apply the lash primer on this eye and I will let it dry, and after that I will apply 2 coats of mascara on my right eye. Let's see how this applies. I always apply on my bottom lashes. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. I can say that I like the applicator. It's very easy to use. I will also apply on my upper lashes. Ooh, that's attractive. Is this a new makeup trend? It defines very well the lashes. I'm very impressed. Oh my god, I look crazy. So the applicator is 10 out of 10. It is fantastic. It applies the lash primer very nice on my lashes. Thumbs up. So I will let it dry and let's continue with the mascara on the other eye. And as you can see, this applicator has very short, spiky plastic bristles and you need to be a little bit careful not to poke your eye with this one. Okay, so I will apply first on my bottom lashes again. So this is how my lashes look with only one coat. It gives a very nice lengthening effect to my lashes, but as you can see, it doesn't give any volume and I don't have a lot of lashes in this area, and also my lashes are growing in very weird angles. So I will apply a second coat of the mascara. And as you can see, because the formula doesn't have any microfibers in it, I'm not able to build my short lashes over here and a little bit in my inner corner. But I can say that I like the definition that I have in my outer lashes and I like the applicator a lot in this mascara. So if you have nice full lashes, this is a very nice mascara for you and you just want a little bit of definition of your lashes. And let's see if this is dry. No, it needs a little bit more. It is transferred on my finger, so I will let them dry. On my eyes I have used this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. This is a Color Icon eyeshadow palette in the color Comfort Zone. I will post this review in the next couple of days, so don't forget to subscribe so you can get notified when I post this review. We don't have any instructions how long you should wait for it to dry, and it takes some time. It takes about 5 minutes. I guess you can apply your lipstick while you're waiting for this to dry. I look crazy! Time for the mascara finally. Let's see how this lash primer works. And I will apply again first on the bottom lashes. I will wait for this to dry so I can clean it up. Ooh, I should wait some more. Okay, that was tricky to remove, and I applied again some of the eyeshadows that I have used because I made a mess here. This mascara didn't set very quickly. I touched it very quick with my Q-tip. A mess, guys, a mess. And to highlight this area, because I have removed a little bit my concealer, I have used this powder here by the palette Highlight and Contour by NYX Cosmetics, and this is the shade Cream. And because I don't like this sharp line, with the same brush I will just blend the edges with the tip of the brush very lightly. I think I still need a little bit of concealer there. I will just apply a small amount on the back of my hand, and with a Q-tip I will apply. And I will blend with the other side of the Q-tip. And I will apply this cream shade by NYX. Okay, let's apply some on the upper lashes. It is a little bit difficult because this is a different applicator and it's not the same as the lash primer. Okay, that's not what I was expecting. So my lashes are becoming a clumpy mess. I'm not able to comb them and make them less spidery. My lashes are becoming stickier and stickier with every coat. And I will clean my brush on a tissue. I will remove all the product of the brush. I want to remove some of the product on these lashes. Maybe I can save them. I will clean my brush again. I think that if you use another mascara with a similar applicator to this one, it will be easier to apply the product on top of the lash primer. The Super Care mascara has a very different applicator. It was difficult for me to apply the product on top of my lashes and also comb my lashes on top of the lash primer. I don't see a lot of difference between my eyes. I can have this effect with other mascaras as well without a lash primer. I can have the same result with the Lashes of the Day Super Volume Mascara by Essence, and I don't use a lash primer with this one. I don't use this one very often because it is difficult to remove it from my lashes and I don't want to remove my lashes with it. My outer lashes, they feel a little bit heavy, they are not very lightweight. Maybe because I had the difficulty to comb them and they were spidery and I applied a little bit too much product. But my lashes here, they still look a little bit spidery. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite lash primer or if you like using them for every day. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!